Welcome to Simple Tech Tips. Today we'll learn how to, flip a video or image on Filmora. So first you have to add it on the timeline. Media file. Then we're going to add it to the timeline. Okay. Now you see that it's added here. It's upside down. So how do we change it, right? Like if you play a video, it looks really weird. Okay, there is a simple way. You just select it here, then go to the video, then go to the basic, and then scroll and come here. Scroll flip options. So in our case, we have to do this. See, it's fixed now. So if you want to go back, click it, then here. If you want to rotate, the options are here. See, it's rotating. But for our case, it was here. However, if you want to flip it sideways, you can just click it here. You see? It's super easy, right? Like Filmora makes it super easy. You can do this with any images or any videos.